Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations. This is a brand new updated method as of filming in 2021. And if you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is come across to youtube.com, and if you haven't already, you just want to go ahead and sign into your account. And then what you need to do is actually click your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and then you want to come down and click onto this option here which says your data in YouTube. So if you just scroll down slightly until you get to this bit under YouTube controls where it says watch history. So how the recommendations work on YouTube is basically it's based on your previous watch history. So things you've watched in the past, YouTube's going to recommend similar videos. That's how the algorithm works. So what we need to do is actually get rid of the watch history, and to do this what we're going to do is click on here, and that's going to take us to this page. So what we need to do is actually, there's two things we can do. And the first thing is where it says YouTube history here, what you need to do is click this toggle button, and that's going to do something called pause, which is where it's basically not going to record your watch history. So therefore YouTube's got no watch history to go on, and the algorithm's not going to recommend videos to you. Another thing you can do is if you come down slightly and you click onto this manage activity button down here, and then just a bit down the page here where it's got this search for activity, and just underneath there's a delete drop down box thing here, and if you go and give that a click, and then what you need to do is you can choose what sort of time periods to delete your YouTube activity. But if you want to completely reset your recommendations, what you want to do is click all time, and then it's just going to go ahead and delete all your current history. So you would just go ahead and click the blue button down here to delete your history. And by doing that and pausing your watch history, which is what was on the previous screen here, by doing those two things, that's going to reset your YouTube recommendations. And if you don't want YouTube to recommend any more videos based on your recommendations, just leave this and turn off this YouTube history option here. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.